guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklockspot.co.uk, and this is a video of picking the Era Invincible again that I picked the other day. I had it in the vise the other way around, so I've bobbed it in the other way, and I believe this is called bolt side picking. So I'm going to be using my ICL picks again, and it's funny to me because it feels I'm doing it left-handed for some reason. See, it's actually locked up. Let's bob the ICL pick in. If I can get it in to the back and start picking. There you go, picks. Not too bad. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, please come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.